What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and the Samsung's mid-range smartphone is coming on another Flipkart, which is the Samsung Galaxy F54 5G. Now this smartphone was rumored earlier also, and now we have its almost all specifications, so let's find out what's going to be coming in this smartphone. So let's get started. So the very first thing about this phone is about the display. Then it will be coming with a 6.7 inch of an AMOLED plus display, and it will be a full HD plus resolution. You will also be getting a high refresh rate of 120Hz, which is nice to see. Now on top of that, it is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which is again a good thing to have. But the back of this phone is going to have plastic, so it's one of the thing in the mid-range smartphone which you usually see. Well, on the back also there will be a triple camera setup with a 108 megapixel of a main sensor, an 8 megapixel of an ultra wide camera, and a 2 megapixel of a macro camera. Now for selfies lovers, it will feature a 32 megapixel of a front selfie shooter in the form of punch hole or a teardrop notch. But also one thing to note, under the hood it's going to be coming with the Samsung's Exynos 1380 SoC. Now this processor also seen on Galaxy A54, which our review is coming very soon, and also the phone might also end up coming with a 8 gigs of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage as a baseline. Now the phone will be running on Android 13 out of the box, and we can expect phone to be giving up around 3 years of an OS upgrade, so it is again a good to have from a Samsung smartphone in the mid-range department also. Well, the launch date of this phone is not yet been revealed exactly, but we can expect this smartphone to be launching at around end of April or in the early May. Now the price of this phone is expected to be around 25,000 rupees in the Flipkart, and it's a Flipkart exclusive smartphone. So what do you think about this smartphone overall? If you like it, then share it and consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom, and I'll see you in the very next one.